Hello everyone, Eddie Willis here with 2020 Window Cleaning and Soft Wash. Had a quick announcement to make. We have started a referral rewards program. This program basically rewards our clients who refer their friends and family to us. Here's how it works. If you refer a friend or family member to us, say for a $500 job, once they book that job and we are completed with it, we will send you a referral reward certificate in the amount of 10% of whatever that job was. And so in this example, it was $500 for the job, and so your 10% would be a $50 referral certificate. Well, how can you use that certificate? You can use it for services, so when we come to clean your windows, you can use it for that. Any of our services that we offer, you are able to cash that certificate in. And also, if you want to, you can just send us the certificate via mail and we'll write you a check and send it to you. Finally, if you want to just gift it to a friend or family member, that's fine as well. It's as simple as that. So, we really appreciate, over the years, our customers referring people to us. It's the lifeblood of our business, so we thought it was high time that we rewarded you for those referrals. So go ahead, continue referring us, and get your window cleaning or whatever services we offer for free next time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.